some reason that damn camera stopped on me. Look at these plants. Rosemary. Curled parsley, German thyme, cilantro, tomatoes. Got all kinds of tomatoes. This whole wind is tomatoes. They look damn fine. What's this over here? Oregano.
Okay, well, easy. Easy.
What's this in there? More oregano, rosemary. Bigger tomatoes over here. On the sun side. Squash. Eggplant. Peppers. Husky red. I don't see a price. Oh. He didn't put the price on it for some reason. Maybe this is it. Yeah, $6 a piece. That seems reasonable. I mean, they're on the verge of blooming already. Just leave them in that pot. Yeah. And look at the little flowers. Are they in any way a bargain? 20% off, what does that mean? What does that mean? $5 left. Yeah. Little off-road vehicles. Can't put them on the highway. I don't think you can even put that one on the highway. And that's $12,000 motherfucker. This is neat. It's an electric. Although I abhor the very idea of a battery operated vehicle. At $10,000. That these are the same one. This one is bigger. Bighorn. It's the T-Boss 550. $10,000. $11,000. Yeah. HTC. What the hell is that? $2,600. 2,500. Could have been 27. Four-stroke single cylinder. $2,000. 1,700. What's the difference? Yeah. Who needs stuff? Succulents. Nice view of